Hello everybody. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Welcome in my channel Bhagwan Gyan Deepak to all of you. Today I DK Sharma from India. My motive is spiritual meditation by Bhagavad Gita. Then explain Sri Krishna to Arjun description for human beings, human civilization, for spiritual meditation, how to do understand in my mind and conscious. A person in the divine consciousness, all things engaged, seeing, hearing, touching, smiling, eating, moving, sleeping and breathing, always known within himself that he actually does nothing to at all, because while speaking, receiving or opening and closing his eye, he always knows that only the material senses and engage with their object, and that he is from them, aloof from them. A person is in Krishna consciousness is pure in his existence, and consequently he has nothing to do with any work with which depends upon five immediate and remote causes, that the work and situation, the endeavor, fortune. This is because he is engaged in the loving transcendental service of Krishna. Although he appeared to be acting with his body and sense, he is always conscious of his actual position, which the spiritual engagement in material consciousness. The sense are engaged in sense of gratification, but in Krishna consciousness, the sense and engaged the satisfaction of Krishna sense. Therefore, the Krishna consciousness, Sri Krishna conscious person is always free, and though he appeared to be engaged in affairs of the senses, activities such seeing and hearing are action of the sense means for receiving knowledge, where moving, speaking, act are action of the senses meant for work. A Krishna consciousness person is never affected by the action of the sense. He cannot perform any act except the service of the Lord, because he knows that he is the internal servant of the Lord. One who performs his duty without attachment, surrendering the rules unto the Supreme Lord, officiated by this sinful action, as the Lord's lotus leaf and untouched by water. Here, Brahman means Krishna consciousness. The material world is a sum total manifestation of their moods, a material nature, technically called the pradhana. The Vedic humans serve by Brahmana, Mama, unique or Mahatma, Brahmana indicate by everything. The supreme Brahmana of Sri Krishna, and thus everything belong him only. One who knows perfectly well there everything belong of Krishna, that he is the everything, and that therefore everything engaged in the service of the Lord naturally has nothing to do with the results of his activities, where they are with the virtuous of sinful, even one's material body. When our act of in Krishna consciousness for the satisfaction of the sense of Krishna, any action, whether of the body, mind, intelligence, and even sense, purified of material contamination, there are no material reaction resulting from the activities of a Krishna consciousness person. A Krishna consciousness person who loves a natural things, perfect, not illusion. Both are person suffering from illusion. Then free from illusion, free from stress, free from dirty relationship, every person will be conscious in his mind and controlled by Bhagavad Gita. And I think that spiritual meditation by Bhagavad Gita is completely a treatment and judgment in his body, in his human life, and to take a fine decision in his life. The Supreme Court, Supreme God, Sri Krishna consciousness, and Sri Krishna consciousness person, he will always perform by life chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Chanting always early in the morning, early in the evening, when there is completely engaged, totally engaged, purify of this material world, all illusions, sacrifice, dirty relationships, dirty faith, purification in our heart. Then I would like to say some of you, all things greater, all things equal, no love, no hate, no gold, no stone, everything is equal. Purification in your heart, pure heart person, pure conscious, super soul, like Sri Krishna consciousness. Consciousness in your mind depend upon Bhagavad Gita, Gyan. How to do meditate by Gita. How to do get lesson by Gita. How to do free from stress, you will comes from Gita. A love comes from faith. Love comes from faith. Peace comes from love. God comes from peace. Where there is peace, there is no need. Clearly, I can understand where there is faith, there is love. Where there is love, there is peace. Where there is peace, there is God. Where there is God, there is no need. Clearly, I understand. We understand. You will be also understand. Bhagavad Gita, Gyan Ganga. All of you, human beings, human civilization, required every step, present, past, future. Don't worry, don't think about past. Don't worry, don't think about future. Only take presence. You will do in presence. Success in presence. Enjoyment in presence. Earn in presence. Take love in presence. You are suffering from life in presence. Aimless man can be not success in presence. No need to think about past and future. The Supreme Soul Sri Krishna says to Arjun in Kurukshetra, always do work, positively thinking, positive thing, religious things. Purify in your heart strongly. Have patience, have confidence, have a strong character, have in presence in your mind. Don't lose your patience, don't lose your confidence, don't lose your character. Then you will be win in Kurukshetra in this war. So person, all of you, always thinks truth and false, love and fake, strong and poor, weak. Both are equal. No difference between each another. Always chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. All of you, Mr. All my best friend, all ISKCON temple members, you will be try to do in your life, human beings, human civilization, by Bhagavad Gita. Today's, I think, must requirement in the world, education, lesson, advice by Bhagavad Gita. How to do understand Bhagavad Gita. Friends, every question answers in our Bhagavad Gita. So many problems in your life, so many stress in your life, mental depression in your life. Only solution by Bhagavad Gita. Every person, you will try to do, try to read, try to take a better life in your life line. Confidence, where there is confidence, there is win. Every place your confidence has been lost, then you will be always failure in your lifeline. All types, all things, failure. So try to understand, friends, how to how to control in my mind by Bhagavad Gita. That's all. Thank you so much, friends. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you.